The agreement of grace is your success hack. Go ahead and save this, get your notes ready. This video has 5 steps and ends in the agreement of grace. This quick process will help you accomplish your goals. Whenever you are out pursuing your goals, there's always going to be a stop sign, some type of stop. Stop just means situations that obstacle or opportunity forward progress. Yeah, I use those as verbs because that's exactly what they are. So the first thing is recognize and redefine stop as it relates to pursuing your goals. If you develop supportive non-negotiables and the conscious awareness to know when you are and when you are not negotiating, and the agreement of grace to course correct when you are, then you've cracked the code of forward progress. This is some examples of supportive non-negotiables. I ams, I'm worthy, loved, ready, safe, powerful. I get to decide how to experience the experiences that come my way. I'm the decider of my quality of life. I expand my horizons with ease and flow. See, all these are I cans, and I can is just intentional, conscious awareness to nullify the negativity now. What about non-negotiables that are supportive as it relates to the world? In every season, situation, and circumstance, there's a path forward. I don't have to fear the unknown because I have the ability to bring the known into the unknown. I'm my safest space in the universe. The quality of my life, which I determine, is decided by the questions that I ask myself. Thoughts are things, words create worlds. And every time I go forward in the direction of my desires, I'm creating new neural pathways to support me in doing so. Now, you've gotten all of these written out. You need a system check. Remember, your systems are your thoughts, your words, your actions, your feelings, your choices, and the decisions that you make. You want your system to support your non-negotiables. How do you do so? By asking yourself questions. What am I saying, thinking, feeling, acting from when I'm negotiating non-negotiables? And what am I saying, thinking, feeling when I'm not negotiating them? Let's just say let's say I am confident is one of your non-negotiables. You got to ask yourself, how might the confident me process whatever situation is in front of me so as to experience forward progress? Then you got to remind yourself who or what decides how I am or who I am or what I get or what I experience. By the way, the answer to that is you. This is a key one. When you have set up your non-negotiables, I want you to go back in time, situations and circumstances that you thought were halting or stopping your forward progress, that you were obstacling for your forward progress. And I want you to ask yourself, when I look back at situations and circumstances, how might I look from the lens of supporting non-negotiables? In other words, how might I look at this situation and I thought I didn't have confidence? How would the confident me process it? How would I go back in time and look at it from that perspective? You see, this is a process when stop signs hit you. When it hits you, you don't have to stop in that sense. You can opportunity that pause. This is how you do that. And so at the times you want to give yourself the agreement of grace. The agreement of grace is quite simply, I know now that I get to decide how to experience the experiences that come my way. I know now what is non-negotiable in my life. I know now what it looks like when I'm negotiating what's non-negotiable. I know now. When that happens, love myself, process from the space of love, and course correct back quickly with ease and flow in the position of non-negotiation. When you do the work, this is the work, you begin to elevate your life in ways that you cannot even imagine. Please make sure you follow so all throughout this upcoming year, you can process for forward progress any and everything that comes your way.